We're run by students, for students. Our goal is to teach people about how manufacturing works, and this works for regardless of where you're from. We've had English majors, we've had people who've done engineering all their life, we've had people who don't know where they fall. In the center of our booth is a big rocket. It's like propped up diagonally because it's too tall for the actual, just to be visible from
It's more
the
impressive
bottom.
that way anyways.
It is around 7 inches in diameter. I think it might be 8. I'm not 100% sure. I think 6.5. Yeah. Parts of it are a bit wider, including the fins. But then it's around, I think, 28 feet tall. It weighs 90 pounds dry, and then 130 pounds when you have fuel in it. It uses liquid methane and liquid oxygen as propellants. So that's the same fuel technology that SpaceX uses. And it produces around 900 pounds of burn force for over 10 seconds continuous.